The Persian Gulf is on fire right now, and the Qatar's biggest gas terminal is bombed, and Dubai's airport is in flames, and Strait of Hormuz is almost shut with crude oil at $116 per barrel. But the war is still continuing. 3 weeks ago, US and Israel started hitting Iran hard. More than 7,000 strikes, nuclear sites were hit, and top leadership and military commanders were killed. The idea was simple: to break down Iran and force them to stop. But Iran jhuka nahi, and its finance ministers have said on record that we have only used a fraction of our power, and they have proved it with their strong retaliation and hitting all the targets across the Gulf region. And then Israel hits Iran's biggest gas field, taking out 75% of its entire gas capacity. Iran retaliated and took out the Qatar's main LNG terminal, that is 17% of total Qatar's gas capacity. और इसके बाद कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसे हम कहते हैं टाको, यानी Trump always chicken out. After this, Trump suddenly came out and said that we were not aware of this Israeli strikes. And going forward, he pledged that no more energy infrastructure will be hit. जब एक superpower or aggressor started doing promises with the enemy, we all know that something has shifted. Meanwhile, the damage is everywhere. UAE was hit with more than 2,000 drone strikes, and Saudi pipeline is also hit. Strait of Hormuz, which used to pass on 20 million barrels of crude oil every day, is almost shut. Before the war, there used to be 100 ships passing by Strait of Hormuz every day, and now it's only 21. इस नुकसान को पूरा करने में महीनों लग सकते हैं, and until it does, the oil stays expensive. Now let's talk about India because it is pinching our pockets directly. 22 Indian ships are stuck right now around the Strait of Hormuz, and Modi ji have called directly to Iranian president, and Jaishankar ji have negotiated it personally, and because of that, 2 of our ships got through a safe passage. और ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ इंडिया की नॉन अलाइनमेंट और न्यूट्रल फॉरेन पॉलिसी की वजह से, विच इज पेइंग ऑफ राइट नाउ. बट क्रूड एट $116, rupee, import bill and LNG cylinder all are feeling the heat. The most powerful alliance in the world tried to break Iran, but Iran didn't break. Gulf broke instead. As of now, India seems to be okay, but oil prices doesn't care for diplomacy. And the war didn't break Iran, but surely it broke your energy bill.